Spiegel, and I'm actually your current council member, and this year I'm serving as the vice president of the city council. I've been on the council for 8 years, and I'm running for re-election. Today I want to talk about yesterday and tomorrow. Many of you know that yesterday, from all of the pop culture coverage in the news, was the date in the movie Back to the Future, Back to the Future 2, thank you, Neil, where the character went into the future, 30 years into the future, and he arrived at October 21st, 2015, and that was the future. And so we're in the future right now. And so we need to be looking to tomorrow to make sure that we continue to build a brighter future, because we're in the future right now, according to that movie. And in that movie, when they were making it, they had to speculate. They had to guess as to what the future would be like in 2015. And the one thing that distinguishes me from the other candidates for city council, who are all fine people and will all do a nice job, is that with me, you do not have to speculate. Because I have been on the council for 8 years. I have cast hundreds of votes, many votes to support various economic development programs and quality of life issues in the city. So you already know where I stand over the last 8 years. And so I'm the most known quantity of the city council candidates here. And so I would ask you to consider that as you decide either who you're going to support or who you're going to tell your friends who live in the city to support for the 3 council seats. You do get 3 votes for the city council. So let's talk a little bit about yesterday. In the past 8 years, I have voted to create an Office of Economic Development in City Hall. I have later voted to expand the size of that Office of Economic Development to focus on attracting and retaining businesses. I have voted for what we consider to be very forward-thinking economic development grant funds and incentives for small businesses and large businesses alike. And I actually brought with me the most recent economic development report that was presented a few weeks ago at City Hall. There's several slides here, and you can all come take a look and see at all the different companies that we've helped and all the different companies that have created more jobs in the city over the last couple of years. But this summary chart is so great. Investments to date. Our Toolbox Fund has awarded 47 grants for $789,000, supporting over 850 jobs in the city. Our Opportunities Fund, which is our larger fund focused on larger companies, has issued 5 grants for about $1.2 million and supported over 1,670 jobs in the city and 450,000 square feet of office and lab space development or redevelopment. So these are forward-thinking programs which distinguish Gaithersburg from other jurisdictions, help attract and retain businesses in the city. One last thing I want to talk about is Bank on Gaithersburg, which we were talking about a minute ago. This is a program I started for financial wellness and education for folks who are considered unbanked or underbanked. This is a way to help lift up folks with educational programs and assistance through our partners in the banking industry and the credit unions, who can provide the right products for folks, particularly vulnerable communities, to help build up their savings and become financially independent. Because in economic development, we need to help lift up everybody. That's my record, and that's the kind of thing that I'm going to continue to fight for on the council. So I hope I get your vote. I'm Ryan Spiegel. Thank you.